The island nation of Fiji is situated in the heart of the South Pacific. Known for its natural beauty and unique ecosystems encompassing terrestrial, marine and aerial biodiversity. Fiji has a warm tropical climate with an average temperature ranging from 23 to 31 degrees Celsius year-round. The Fijian culture is rich in communal Melanesian traditions and has a deep connection to the land and sea. With a population of just over 900,000, Fiji is also home to people of various other cultures and ethnicities, making Fiji one of the friendliest and diverse places on earth. Wherever you go, you are sure to receive the warm, friendly smile of the Fijian people and the Fijian greeting Bula, meaning life and health. Fiji has over 330 islands, two-thirds of which are uninhabited, making it one of the most unspoiled places on the planet. Fiji offers a unique visitor experience through its many different kinds of resorts, catering to different tastes, interests and incomes, and visitors enjoy white sandy beaches and pristine clear waters. Visitors take advantage of opportunities for snorkeling, diving, fishing, skydiving or cruises. They might also join a safari to Fiji's highlands, experience the thrill of zip lines or travel to private islands. Fiji is a sports-loving nation and won its first Olympic gold medal in sevens rugby at the 2016 Rio Olympics. The capital, Suva, is on the island of Viti Levu, which is one of the two main islands in Fiji. Viti Levu is also Fiji's hub for economic and educational development and connects Fiji to the rest of the world through its business, government and commercial activities. The development of Fiji's aviation sector began in the 1950s. Today, our national airline, Fiji Airways, flies over 400 flights a week to 15 cities in 10 countries around the world. Fiji Airways significantly contributes to regional connectivity in the South Pacific. Nadi International Airport welcomes more than 1.2 million international passengers and over 450,000 domestic passengers through its airports annually. Nadi Airport Terminal Modernization Project and Level 1 Carbon Accreditation Certification by the Airports Council International were completed this year. This upgrade affirms Fiji's commitment to sustainable development and to offer shopping and dining experience at international standards for both international and domestic travelers. Fiji's air traffic management also provides services within the Nadi Flight Information Region, which includes the airspaces of Tuvalu, New Caledonia, Kiribati and Vanuatu. Fiji is implementing its performance-based navigation plan to allow the utilization of onboard aircraft technologies for better performance in airspace utilization and increased efficiency. We would like to extend our invitation to the esteemed delegates of the forthcoming 55th Conference of Directors General Civil Aviation to visit Fiji. Bula, welcome to Fiji.